The waves are coming on the car. That's the part I'm looking forward to the most. Now also, we plan doing this thing by raising a lot of money for USAF. So far, Hamish has now coming in from our left, the Cessna 172, Dram. So you'd be very familiar with that continental engine sound. See that around. And like most 172s, a wonderful pair of floats underneath. The floats are what I call a Floatplane 23550A. I think it's rated up to about 210 horsepower. As you can see, Hamish is doing a great shot of the 172 in front of us. 172, of course, if you've done any flight training, you've flown a 172 or 180. They're ubiquitous all around the world. Nearly all PPLs would have flown a 172. So relatively inexpensive to maintain. They're very popular. There's new versions coming out now. Taking all down and pressure.
That's amazing, isn't it?
We'll see it out of the runway regularly, and regularly bringing training pilots up into the lot. So there's a lot of TV as well. You know that David Beckham whiskey ad? Hercules, it's also been on Horizon. It's done Park SBO films. It's been on Channel 4, Channel 5, the BBC. So yeah, a bit of a BB-11 this aircraft. Now depending on the weather and the maximum takeoff weight, you can take 2 students at a time. So if you want to go flying with a buddy, this is one of the few aircraft here that you can actually go flying in. If you want to know what that's going to be, have a look at Hamish's website. It's ScotlandOnFloats.com. That's a great name. ScotlandOnFloats.com. So ideally he'd be landing on a lock. So here he comes, throttling back. The flaps I'm sure will be at full extension to slow it down. I remember when I checked the lights, I think it was about 60 knots or something. Get these things down to. Okay, open the water. It's very shallow descent, not surprised, but watch the step. See how he's keeping the aircraft powered up, not letting it settle. And then power, back up off the step. Back into the airport. Flaps didn't look full on that, looked about 15 degrees to me. So he obviously wanted to do, he wasn't going to come to a complete stop. But that is a first for me. Splash and go. Down on the final runway 1. As I said, the trick is so one would be a left brake for the touch and go, and then pour that back out VFR for the air show immediately for brooding. Right, the landing light is off. Flaps are down. Selected power 7 once, now to fail power, gently pushing forward, letting the aircraft sink down, but sort of keep that nose up like that attitude. And there he goes, touching down, coming back on the throttle, and throttle back up, nose back up, and rising, stay stable. Amy, she did a great job.
Yes, happy with that, go ahead. Okay.
Okay, well, I've just been listening to the water. Amy just said you can do a flight with this aircraft in Dram and donate to the USAF. You can do that by sponsoring seats. Have a look across the war code in today's program. Right, here he comes. Final touch and go. Touch and go for it. Hold him off a little bit longer this time. Perfect. Landing just forward of the step. Tipping the throttle a little bit there. He's getting cocky. Keeping it going. And there you go. Away. Interesting, you keep the flaps down at 15 for a long time. Just swing it up yet.
Fly by and depart. Roger, copy. Off the mic.
Have a look at the Facebook, Dram, or have a look at the website, scotlandonfloat.com. So a little wing wave from Hamish. Thank you very much, Hamish, and thank you, Dram. And speaking of that, we will see you again. I want to thank Jeff for bringing such a wide variety of aircraft. Jeff will be on a little bit later with the American Air Force.
Constitutes of 3 individual flypasts. So here we come. Just turning in now, the first is flypast. It's the C130J from Hercules by the United States Air Force. So the aircraft that you see here is the C130J Hercules, from Louisville. And it's the longest continuously produced aircraft in history, with original production from the Lockheed Company way back in 1954. For about 70 years, the aircraft has continued to demonstrate its brilliant design as an integrated with defensive systems, capable of deploying infrared and radar missile, and has an impressive array of communications capability. And while she's not the speediest bird, the herd can land on short, unimproved runways and even beaches. And if you look outside now, the back of the aeroplane, you can see Josh and crew dropping that transport door. So look closely, and you'll see from the Lord Martin getting your way, but look up, way back, they will definitely see you. She's also capable of air drop, delivering most of any supplies to any location. Most notably, the C-130 is a preferred delivery vehicle of humanitarian airlift, providing relief anytime and anywhere. This aircraft is operated by the 165th Airlift Squadron of the United States Air Force. It's Kentucky Air National Guard. Today I should keep our pilots with the biggest shout out ever. And I mentioned before by Taylor Swift, this aircraft is 70 years old in production. So in terms of American transport aircraft, this really is the last great American dynasty. Okay folks, let's give it up for Josh and the C-130J from the United States Air Force. Come on up there, come on! There you go. How was that, Joe? You impressed?
So good,
So
Jeff.
last one, Taylor Swift, now you know.
Now I know. You've educated me, and well done you for being the proper dad and taking your kids out to the Taylor Swift concert.
Yeah, well, very nice, thank you very much. Really confident, 118, 115.
Actually, the 89 quid, we're really lucky.